Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Twitter or the X links not embedding on Discord. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So I am going to show you different ways on how you can possibly fix this error. So first one is to use a different link format. So some users have reported success with embedding Twitter links by using different formats such as the FX Twitter or the VX Twitter. So try typing the link with these formats to see if it will be embed. So for example, instead of typing this link right here, try typing or putting FX before this link and then see if the link will embed in your Discord. And then next, what you can do is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not experiencing any issues. So if your connection is low or unstable, Discord may not be able to properly embed links. So you can try resetting your internet connection or connecting to a different network to see if this helps. And the next what you can do is to check Discord server status. So if you're experiencing issues with link embedding, try or check the server status to see if there are any unknown issues or damages. So you can check the Discord status page or reach out to Discord support to see if there are any known issues affecting link embedding. Then you can also try remove unnecessary parameters. So some Twitter links may have unnecessary parameters that can provide or that can prevent them from embedding on Discord. So try removing parameters after the question mark in the link to see if this helps. So for example, instead of typing Twitter or this link right here, try typing only this part right here. So the part that comes before the question mark. So next, what you can do is to check your Discord settings. So make sure your Discord settings allow link embedding. So to do this, go to the user settings, then text and images, and then click the link preview, and then make sure that it is turned on. So as you can see here in the photo, so make sure that this is toggled on. And then if the link preview is turned off, Discord will obviously will not be able to properly embed links. So that's it for this video and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great. Bye bye.